Ecosmart ECO 18. Ecosmart ECO 18 is one of the top-rated and innovative electric and tankless water heaters for residential and commercial use. No more hassles of heavy installations and extensive plumbing work to enjoy a seamless hot water supply. Ecosmart belongs to the well-known water heater brand Rheem and offers ease of use with high durability. The mix of stainless and copper components gives it a longer lifespan. No wonder the manufacturer offers a lifetime warranty on the residential usage of this water heater. If you are looking for a cost-effective water heating solution, Ecosmart ECO 18 can help you save approximately 60% on water heating expenses. This is due to its cutting-edge self-modulating technology. While there is no tank, this device works rigorously for a non-stop supply of hot water at a click of a button. No more fiddling around with those manual switches to get the temperatures right. Now you can simply use a digital control panel to set the temperature. This tankless water heater is an 18 kilowatt tankless electric device that can fit in the tiniest of spaces. Therefore, if you're looking for a townhome, a condo, or an apartment, Ecosmart ECO 18 is the perfect solution for you. You can easily get an excessive amount of water, ranging from 1.8 to 4.3 gallons per minute. Not only will you be using the water heater for personal benefit, but Ecosmart is also a participant in the Rheem Heart of Comfort program. This program donates towards the cause known as Habitat for Humanity. Pros: endless water supply with the correct size tank for your needs. Saves space with sleek and wall-mounted design. Saves time by user-friendly installation and on-demand water supply. Cons: some components are not made for metal, only best to use with mineral-free water. The manufacturer does not guarantee the elements used.